Hi, my name is Lauren and I'm excited to introduce our newest cycling accessory, the 174HUDSON Pannier Tote bag. We created this bag for riders of all kinds, from the everyday commuter to the weekend warrior. It is designed to mount on the rear rack of your bicycle while you ride and transition into a stylish carry-all tote off of the bike. This is a great option for storage as you navigate life on two wheels. This tote was designed with the convenience and safety of the rider in mind. A concealed top handle makes it easy to mount and dismount the bag from the rack. The pannier clips and bottom securing strap are also concealed by a canvas flap when not attached to the bike. The bag features 3 external pockets, each with a magnetic closure, 1 large front pocket and 2 side pockets that provide extra visibility with a reflective pattern print. Inside of the bag is a small zipper pocket for your valuables and a laptop sleeve. The tote is constructed in a wax-treated, weather-resistant canvas with high-quality tape zippers for added protection from the elements. We're really excited to introduce this new Pannier Tote. We love how it's styled to look like an everyday bag, one that is comfortable being used as a shopping bag at the farmer's market, carrying your gear to the yoga studio, or your laptop to the office, all while being able to quickly mount onto your bicycle and go.